RASHKAMAR Entertainment. You don't know. For all your videoing me, party, wedding, bar mitzvah, baby shower, anything. That's where you have to go if you want it done right. Funeral, yeah. You might all get a little balling settings, like something extra. Anything where you want, RASHKAMAR. Because if I'm not RASHKAMAR, it not gonna go right.
Not go far.
Baby, it is obvious, you know. That I'm in love with you, girl. Heart's been racing, I've been waiting just to see you. Baby, it is obvious, you know. That I'm in love with you, girl. Heart's been racing, I've been waiting just to see you.
Baby, going to Barber now, baby.
Yes, baby. Bye, honey. We got Barber already.
Alright.
Bye, my honey bunny. Don't stay away from me too long.
Alright. Remember you're at the park here?
Alright.
Yeah. Yeah, people. I got Barber, you know what I mean? Not a public barber, private barber. Yeah. Barber used to come on my yard, but Barber set up a little thing in my yard, so you don't know the things. Okay, I don't know me if put up some little, put up my cute face. So tomorrow at San Antonio. Yeah, I made that a Chris party. You hear that? Blood clot. At the seat that you know. Yeah, the automatic. Go back and go forward and all them something there. Messed up. But I say go still. We soon can buy a new car. Blood clot, what do them? New car? I want me can tell you this. When new car come, this not go nowhere. This is my car. I love this car. This not go nowhere. All me have to do, put it in the shop and tell them, say, yo, I want it brand new again, you know. Yeah, and set up the thing properly. So that's how you go, you know. First car in America. Yeah, I remember my first. I mean, that's the first thing in America. Oh, I'm fun. Yeah, man, may have that and that now go nowhere. My first thing in America, now go my first car now go nowhere. When I respond, but then want to say me all on me, this and me that. That's how me like it. Yeah. So you don't know the thing set, you know. Well, I'm not see my good car. I don't know. Vlogging. Gone at the Rash pasta. Bed late and wake up early this morning. I'm tired, like, whoa, I want to sleep. Yeah, but the work continue, you know. So that's how things set. So if anything, reach out, pull up at the barber and things, we make a little walk on, you see me? Alright, yeah, reach a barber. Wagwan Barber. Yo, you see that? There's a Rasta man, a triple people, you know. Yo, I don't know Wagwan. So I look at youth, that's not a Rasta barber. I'm not sure my boy I'm not chat to, so I have to just wait.
Yeah, I'm my boy now.
Oh, Rash, are you? You know, you know.
So, young man, what are the
put him on YouTube. Don't Ricky Super. Put it on YouTube.
Put it on YouTube.
Yeah.
Some work on YouTube. So I want it.
Yeah, well, let me know. Do a little vlog yeah, for the day. That work for tomorrow?
I don't know yet.
Okay. If you don't know already, you're not going
No,
on.
there's some work I do finish in time and make it run, that's not.
I don't mean to say if you don't know already, you're not going to go again.
So I don't know now.
I don't get run? You can't walk?
No, not take a job. Everywhere I don't get running now. 2 hours drive by the town.
Oh, that? Oh, I think a beer. Right time, you can't do
You
it.
want anything?
Yo, tell me a story.
No, like alcohol. Like alcohol. Say you want this one? No. Yeah, you can't drink it. You can't drink it. Why not
I know beer. Okay, you want to, you just want one go and just drink it off, so you don't want everybody know you're greedy. But me I tell you no.
Yeah, they're going to make first time. You do right.
Hey, no China.
Put my sister on camera.
Your sister? I don't know your sister.
Well, we're on live YouTube.
Ain't alive, but I talk about YouTube.
Alright, YouTube, bigger yourself. RASHKAMAR Entertainment. You don't know. For all your videoing needs, party, wedding, bar mitzvah, baby shower, anything. That's where you forgot if you want it done right. Funeral, yeah. You might all get a little ball in settings, a little something extra. Anything where you want, RASHKAMAR. Because if I'm not RASHKAMAR, it not gonna go right.
Not go far. Oh, so today I freestyle, I go and do the thing.
That's the thing set, man.
Yeah, so.
Fuck up your line time, you know, right? Fuck up your line time, you know, don't you?
It's not a talk of Facebook, but it's what's that? Fuck up your line.
I don't lie, your line fuck up your fuck. You don't know what I want. So you go, man. I'm not there, you know? But you have to ball it off.
What's that? I heard if no one got a job, right? Go.
What's up?
What's the latest, man? Come on.
Go, man.
Yeah.
Latest. I'll go on at I place in San Antonio, I go tomorrow.
Sure.
We don't party and family.
Oh, yeah? Got a big party going on down there? Oh, that's not, what's his name?
Chris.
Vendetta, right?
Vendetta,
Yeah. Vendetta family.
Yeah.
Go all the way down on that.
Real way.
Yeah, just a real, real Jamaica, right?
Inside, outside.
Yeah.
Well, you got a your boy restaurant, though?
Yeah.
I never got San Antonio blood. So
Nice restaurant, down there, brother. Inside out, very set up.
Kind of there's a TJ there, too?
Yeah, yeah.
On the outside.
Outside, yeah. Honestly, just here. Much fun, set up on the outside.
So I don't know if the party I got it inside or outside.
But not kind of people stay around, people stay away.
Okay.
Come outside, smoking area.
Oh, okay. Yeah, cause you can a restaurant, you can smoke in a restaurant. Yeah.
Music set up. One monitor, 2 monitors on the outside. Yeah, this section set up outside too.
Yeah.
Easy does it,
Oh, I fuck up time now.
So you can get in there, so I'm not outside there.
Look on airline people. Fuck up airline, I get in. I don't know where I go on. I say, look. I say, I only have one barber. And drive to him. You can, you know what I mean? Do a good little thing to it.
Try the best.
Try the best, yeah.
Sauce.
Yeah, I made it, so no. No, alcohol, no, serious. No, that's too hot, brother.
Right on the blood clip. YouTube, see me? Right on it. No, we're not playing with people. Yeah.
Buckler.
Yeah, true to your Barber.
Yeah, wicked. See him there? Wicked boy. Wicked.
Stay true to your Barber.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Instagram. Your business Instagram.
IG. Brilliant finishes with a Z. Yeah. Yeah. Hit me up.
Yeah. Ready for San Antonio now. I'm on in blood clot. What do you mean? Who else can do it? Nobody. Nobody. You get a hot alcohol. Yeah. Yeah, man, so time I know. Don't know. Go in. Set up my little thing them. Sure boat go San Antonio tomorrow. I mean a Chris party, you see me? So you don't know. Link on the back later again. Yeah?
You recording?
Yeah. Boy, no one come home, you know.
Yes, Daddy, I was literally just...
Take off this. Boy, the boy always make sure I come for him after I got park.
Daddy, I was just about to come home.
Yeah, but I still come for you. Every time I come for you, you say the same thing. Don't. You know the next thing I'm going to do? I just don't come and see how long you will take to come back up home. Because every time I come, I reach, you say the same thing. Daddy, I was just coming, man.
That's how it was. I don't like when you think I'm lying. Because I'm not.
Okay. Alright then, son. You say not lying, right?
Yeah.
That means my son not lying. So who said my son lying? Eh?
Huh?
Who saying my son lying?
You.
Who?
You.
Who?
You.
Who?
You.
You.
Yep. Yep.
You. Look. Yeah.
Stop recording me.
Yeah. Hi, Pepe. Eh? Yeah.
I was just coming out there to get you. Come back.
Oh, I forgot to say your mother carries. Yeah, I carry her somewhere, so you have to come there, yeah. Yeah, I'm back, baby.
Yeah. Oh, you already packed my bag for the clothes?
How are you, Earl?
Nothing.
Okay.
I was just making sure she...
See, look here. She packed this. She packed
I need your book bag to put your clothes in there. I got the clothes.
a garbage, remember, baby?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna take them out. I look for myself, eh?
Oh my God.
I come and say, always. Your music, man. Yeah, man. Ready for the road now? Ready for the road, baby? Ready. Yeah, man, so I guess I know I reach back in now. Yeah, I mean, and then I just fresh up and go all rest and long thing tomorrow night and all them things. You see me, I say, so I do something.